Hello, my name is Heider Monroy. I am an electrician student at UNAP. I live in the town of Suba. My family, I contribution to the development with the implementation in the free arts, recycle, reduce, and reuse. We recycle paper and the cardboard from all the purchase we make. We residual water consumption or energy saving by disconnecting old solder or electrical equipment that are not big using. And we use the water special by the washing machine and reuse that water to wash floor and for toilet use in the addition with properly select and of wasting that is present and or harm in order to contribute to the people entering that recycle material. A continuación relaciono, pues bueno, eso fue pues un poco nerviosismo. Relaciono mi documento para verificar la autenticidad del titular de la presentación, Heider Monroy. No se ve. Gracias.